How to reset Instagram forgotten password. For that, open your Instagram. You can do the same process from your Android as well. Then go ahead, enter your username or your phone number. Here I have entered my username. So for the sake of this video, I will be writing a wrong password here. If I tap on this login bubble, I won't be able to pass through it. So tap on the forgot password option here. I'll be entering my email address here. You can go ahead and enter your email or your phone or your username linked to your account. So once you do that, you have to go ahead and tap on this send login link bubble right here. Now go ahead and tap on it once you are done. Now tap on this I'm not a robot. Then go ahead and pass this verification puzzle. Then tap on next. Now a reset link will be sent to your email address or your phone, and you just have to tap on it, and then you'll be allowed to reset your password. For some reason I wasn't able to receive the email. However, the reset bubble will be right here. You won't be able to miss it. Make sure to give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.